it's your girl Mama here, and obviously we have a very different setup going on today. We are in my kitchen. For the very first of the baking that's going to be on my channel, I'm super excited about this video because I've been trying to get this out for a while, and I finally had the time to sit down and actually bake. And I figured what better way to kick off my baking on my channel than to do my favorite, my signature cookies. So I'm going to teach you guys how to make my Oreo chocolate chunk cookies. Super excited about it. And yes, I'm in my onesie because, you know, we're comfortable. You know, she's gonna tell, you know, because we're going to do the thing. You gotta be comfortable when you're baking, you know what I'm saying? So without further ado, we are going to go ahead and get started. So I put a full list of all the ingredients and the steps to this process, but this is just a quick view of all the things you're gonna need. So once you get all your ingredients, you wanna start baking these cookies. So you want to start with your sugars, and I'm an organic freak, so I like organic sugar, so I just measure it and put it in that bowl. Then you want to take your brown sugar, which is very important to this recipe. That's what gives the cookie its a brown color. And you want to make sure that you're packing, just as you're seeing me doing right now. You want to pack it, then you want to pour. And again, I love playing with brown sugar. The consistency is so fun. But pack, just like that, and pour. Now, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and melt your butter, which is what I did off camera. And then you want to put your butter into the mixture, and we're going to mix all this stuff together. And since you packed the brown sugar, you want to put a little muscle into it, break it down, and then you start to whisk. Then you're going to add the egg, and you're going to whisk some more. Then you're going to add the vanilla extract. And I put the exact measurement for the vanilla extract in the description box, but I love that stuff, so I'm really heavy-handed with it. So yeah, that. And you want to whisk some more because you want it to be a beautiful consistency just like that. And don't forget to add your salt and your baking soda, which obviously y'all didn't see me do on camera because I forgot. So I had to do that off camera. But then you want to add your flour. And actually you want to sift your flour before you put it into the mixture. But my sift at school, because I'm at school right now, is not that good. So I didn't do it. And it doesn't make that big of a difference, but you know, I would sift if I were you. And then you just want to mix it in. And you want to fold it just to decrease the mess. That's why I fold. I decrease the mess. And then once most of it is in there or a good enough amount, then I start using circular motions, as you see me do here. And if you mix real good, like you're supposed to, you're going to come out with something that looks just like that. Very beautiful, very smooth. Whoa, like a baby's bottle. Whoa. And now it's time for the fun part, adding the toppings. So I use 6 to 8 Oreos. It's a preference thing. These next few steps are a preference. If you like a lot of Oreos, put a lot. If you don't, then don't. Feel free to modify this however you want to. But that's how many Oreos I put. I crush them, I just pop them in there, and I'm just integrating that into the dough. The word of the day is integrate. Make sure you got your ingredients in there all types of well. That's what I'm about to do right now with these chocolate chunks. This process was like slightly annoying since obviously I wasn't using gloves. Like there was chocolate all over my hands. But I used 8 bars, and after using all 8, it came out like that. I used dark chocolate and milk chocolate, if y'all want to know. Dark to cut some of the sweetness. And it's just bomb. And that's what it looks like, and you just want to integrate. Like I said, the word of the day is integrate. Use that muscle and make sure everything is in there equally so that when you bite, you get equal parts chocolate, equal parts Oreo, equal parts cookie. I'm telling you, it's bomb like that. Okay. And once you, ooh, that's so beautiful. But once you finish mixing, you want to put some plastic wrap and you put it in the fridge. Put it in the fridge for 15 minutes or more. Definitely at least 15 minutes. But the longer you leave it, the more intense the flavor will get. And then I use an ice cream scooper because I just feel like it's fun, honestly, and it eliminates mess. It's a lot cleaner. And yeah, so I just pop those in the oven. And once I take them out, this is what they look like. They are so beautiful. Okay. And they taste even better. So definitely try this recipe. Let me know how you like it. Enjoy, guys. Bye.